And to end off the series, I think I'm just going to talk to you guys one more time about setting up multiple Laravel websites in your Homestead box. So we've already set it up perfectly that if you want to add in another Laravel website, you can do that. But let's start off by first of all going over to our Homestead directory and let's vagrant SSH into that machine. And from here, I'm going to cd into code and I'm going to run the Laravel installer again. So let's go Laravel new, and we can call this project whatever we like. So I'm just going to say Laravel new bacon, and this is going to create a new Laravel project for us called bacon. But as we know, this is probably going to take a little while to run. So what I'm going to do while that is installing is talk to you guys about setting this up in your homestead YAML file. And yeah, all you need to do is open that up, and we are going to create a new site and a new database. So for a new database, let's create a new database here called bacon. And for sites, let's just copy all of this. And I think if I Command D, then yeah, I'm gonna have to edit this a little bit, but yeah, we can create a new site here also called bacon, and we're just gonna have to set up a domain, and this doesn't have to be a .test domain. It could be anything you want, so like bacon.demo or whatever you like. And let's map that to vagrant code bacon public, and that's going to map that to the bacon Laravel project that we are busy installing in the background here. So if I save this and just wait for this to completely finish installing, when that's installed, all we need to do is edit our etc host file again, just to make sure that our browser and our computer knows that bacon.demo should be accessed on our local host. So all we need to do here is open up a new terminal tab or something and just type sudo vim etc hosts, exactly as we did in the previous tutorial. Put in your password. And what you want to do here is map bacon.demo, so 127.0.0.1 bacon.demo to your local host. So now if I quit this, save and quit, and we go back over to the browser and refresh, our bacon demo project or bacon demo URL should be pointing to our bacon demo project. Now, sometimes you might get a little bit confused between some of your projects, especially if you haven't re-provisioned Vagrant. And I think that's probably what's going to have happened here. So if I go back to my text editor or my IDE, let's just close this and let's open in our code directory. So projects code bacon. What I want to do here is just make sure that I'm actually looking at my bacon file or bacon project. So let's go to resources, views, and I'm just going to change the text on this welcome page. So let's look for the, let's just make this a little bit bigger so I can see. But let's look for the Laravel text here, and let's change that to bacon, save, come back over to the browser, refresh. This Laravel text here should have changed to bacon, and it hasn't. And that's because what I actually need to do after changing things in my YAML file is also, when I go back over to, or if I exit out of my Vagrant box, and inside my Homestead directory, I just need to run Vagrant provision one more time. So that's just going to re-provision the server and let it know that bacon.demo should actually be pointing to the bacon folder and not the qcosts folder. And once that's finished provisioning, if I come back here and refresh, we now have bacon. So I am indeed looking at my bacon project. Okay, so yeah, that's how you work with multiple projects, and that's the process that you're gonna have to go through every time you set up a new Laravel project. Hopefully that's not very often, because I want you to work on one Laravel project and finish it. But hey, that's all I have for you in this video. So I'll see you in the next one.
And that is the end of the video. So if you made it this far, there's a couple things that you can do to help me. First of all, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment saying something nice, hopefully. Share this video with your friends because all of that stuff is going to help my channel grow. And I'm also feeling a little lonely, so don't forget to follow me on social media.